This video guide will provide step-by-step instructions on how to successfully assemble this cabinet in your home. This cabinet measures 17 inches tall by 32 inches wide by 18 inches deep, so be sure to accurately measure the space where you want to install the cabinet before beginning assembly. The box contains everything needed for proper installation, including top, bottom, back, right side and left side panels, right and left door panels, brackets, lock, screws, and hex nuts. You will also need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Start by aligning the holes and inserting the top panel into the edge of the back panel and loosely attach using 3 of the screws provided. No need to tighten completely until all screws are in place after step 7. Repeat the previous step, but this time insert the bottom panel into the edge of the back panel. Align the holes and loosely attach using 3 more of the screws provided. Again, don't tighten completely until after step 7. Next, align the holes of the right side panel to the outside edges of the top and bottom panels, and loosely attach using 6 of the screws provided. Do not completely tighten until all screws are in place after step 7. Now, attach the left side panel to the outside edges of the top and bottom panels. Align the holes before loosely attaching using 6 more of the screws provided. Remember not to tighten the screws completely until after step 7. Lastly, secure the back panel to the side panels using 6 more of the screws provided. Next, attach both the right and left door panels using 8 of the screws provided. Once the door panels are secured to the cabinet, fully tighten all screws from previous steps to complete the cabinet assembly. Finally, attach the lock to the right door by sliding the lock body into the cutout on the door and securing with the lock nut. Then install the locking latch to the lock body and secure with 1 screw. Insert the 2 mounting bracket tabs into the slots on the back panel. Align the holes and secure using the 4 screws provided. Mount the cabinet to the wall using a FastTrack rail by simply hooking the mounting brackets onto the FastTrack rail at a slight angle. Then slowly lower the cabinet until it is resting fully against the wall. Your FastTrack Single 2-door cabinet is now ready to use. For additional storage, you can add to your cabinet by attaching accessories to the built-in channels on the cabinet's side panels. For further assistance, reach out to Rubbermaid Customer Service.